I'm so excited today to give you the unboxing that I promised you in my last Longchamp video. My items have finally arrived. But first, let me give you the details of my outfit. One of my favorite places to shop for designer on discount is called the Outnet. This is an app that I found in 2020, I believe, right after I had my fourth child and I was looking to kind of spice up my wardrobe. I found this brand named Ganni that I really loved because all of their clothing had such elements of like 5 wow factors together. I just wasn't used to seeing this. It's not cheap, especially if you buy direct from their website or direct from their store or direct from Neiman Marcus. It's not cheap. The Outnet is the sister company of Net-a-Porter, and so they have designer items, and they don't carry every single designer, but they have a wide variety of designer items, and everything is pretty much on sale, just like it would be at Nordstrom Rack or Saks Off It. This is my Ganni top that I was so excited to get on sale and discount on top of sale. And as I said, they have several wow factors to each piece of clothing usually. So I have a balloon sleeve. Of course, the whole thing is this beautiful silvery sheen color. There's a peplum bottom to the top. It is one shoulder, what do they call it? The cold shoulder, one shoulder out. And there is a tie on the side that looks beautiful as you walk, it kind of dangles. And that actually worked out for me because I bought this top postpartum with my fourth child, and since then I've lost a lot of that baby weight, so I definitely have to tie it extra tight to make sure that it fits right. That's one tip too to consider when you're buying online and you're not sure about sizing. Try to get clothes that you may be able to adjust in some type of way. I'm a little bit closer so that you can see some of these beautiful details. Let me give you the price on this top through the Outnet. Originally the price was $295. Like, that's a $300 shirt. But they did have 50% off was the Outnet's normal price. It was $148. And then I had a little discount, you know, those discount coupon codes that you can find or put in. They actually emailed me one, so I had an additional 40% off. And so that brought it down to $89. So for a $300 shirt, I paid $89. I absolutely love this shirt. It's a wow factor. You can dress it up, dress it down. There's several colors in it so that you can accessorize and really make your outfit pop. This shirt can serve many purposes. And it got me through from my postpartum weight to where I am now, so it definitely gets extra points for that. Y'all know my channel's not big enough to be sponsored. I do truly love this company. I think they sell some amazing quality luxury brands at amazing prices. So always double check to see if you can get some of those discount codes. If you do sign up for the emails, that's how I got that particular discount code. And then sometimes they'll give you early access to sales if you have the app. So they'll tell you, you know, you have 2 days to shop exclusive sale on whatever brand it is, Zimmerman. But in 2 days, they open that up to just the regular internet website. So double check discount codes and download that app. Okay, now for the part you've been waiting for. I actually recorded this earlier, but my neighbor has been weed eating for like 2 hours, and it's like off and on. So it's not a continuous hum in the back. It's like, I just wanted to say thank you for watching this because extra effort was put in. So I'm gonna go through this really quickly in case they decide to start that up again. I honestly have not opened the box just yet. It's still taped up perfectly. I wanted to get my authentic reaction of my 2 new Longchamp items. All right, let's see. I'll give you the prices of everything after we take a look. Oh my gosh, the color is even better than what I thought. I'm gonna have to show you what was on the website. The color is definitely different, but I have a jacket the same color. That is so crazy. I like both of the colors better. So let's do the small one first because she's a cutie. This is the Longchamp zip coin purse. It's so cute. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. On the website, it looked like a really light pastel bubblegum pink. And I think this is absolutely beautiful as a darker kind of rose, like a dark rose color. I don't know if that will show up truly, but it's got gold hardware and the traditional brown leather trim. It's got white lining inside. Oh, and I absolutely love it. So next I bought the Longchamp Le Pliage top handle. This is size small and it has yellow trim. and silver hardware. Oh, color is a much more beautiful color than what I had seen originally online. See if I can get the true color here. How cute is this? It has the white lining as well. The one large pocket in the back, no pocket in the front, and that's okay because this one is like the long pocket. So it has the leather trim in almost the same color of the bag as most clubs do. And then it's got this beautiful mustard yellow button logo and glazing along the edges of the leather. And as far as the buttons and the zipper, it is silver hardware with the traditional button on the back. And then the zipper itself is actually the same color as the bag, which I think is a nice, lovely detail that they added because it's pretty detailed. How adorable. Let me give you the prices really quickly. As you can see, that Longchamp Les Pillages club in the small was $89.97. The Longchamp Les Pillages coin purse was $29.97. These weren't the cheapest prices that I could have gotten, especially after the last video when I showed you that in Saks Off 5th, they had an already discounted from the MSRP price and an additional savings on top of that. So that's really the way to save. But you also have to keep in mind that certain colors and certain shapes and sizes may be seasonal or maybe only in a certain line that's a special edition. There's all kind of reasons why you may want to go ahead and just pull the trigger if you see something that you really like. These two were both really, really cute to me. I'm so glad that I now have them in my collection. If you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to do that. I just absolutely appreciate each and every one of you. I'm someone who lives in the comments no matter what platform I'm on, and I can truly say that you all are so supportive and inspirational, and I truly, truly value each and every one of you. Be sure to check out this video next so that I can see you in the next one.